How to change your Shopify theme without losing content. What's up guys, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to update and change your Shopify theme without losing any of your products, pages, or collections. This is a super common question, and the good news is Shopify makes this process really simple. First things first, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin panel. I'm assuming most of you are already familiar with the dashboard layout. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left-hand side and navigate to Online Store. Under that, you'll see a section called Themes. This is where your current active theme is displayed, along with the option to explore new themes. To update your theme without losing content, you don't replace the existing one directly. Instead, you install your new theme first. So scroll down to the theme library and choose the theme you want to update to. In my case, I'm going to install the Sense theme. You'll also see a selection of paid and free themes offered by Shopify. There are several great options, and you can install as many as you want into your theme library without affecting your live store. Once the theme finishes installing, it will appear in your library. Now, to activate it, simply click Publish. Shopify will ask you to confirm, and after you publish, your store will immediately switch to the new theme. Now here's the important part. You won't lose any of your core content. Your products, collections, pages, blogs, and navigation menus all stay exactly the same. If you preview the store right after publishing, you'll see everything still in place. All your items, all your collections, all your site pages. However, the one thing you will need to redo is your theme customizations. This includes your homepage layout, banners, images, and any sections you manually designed in your previous theme. There's currently no complete shortcut or automatic migration for those visual customizations, so you'll need to spend a bit of time adjusting the new theme to match your brand. Once everything looks good, save your changes, and your updated theme will be live, fully functioning, and loaded with all your existing content. Happy selling!